What's
Oh,
up?
hey, babe. Remember last week's little saw mishap, shop accident?
Unfortunately.
Well, it's this week's art project. We made a cool little river table.
Oh boy.
Little piece of me to remember by.
Oh God.
Check it out. And don't be freaked out. There's a little blood in this art project. So this is my one digit. That's my other
I
finger.
don't need an explanation.
Well,
It's gross.
babe, this is Joe's finger. Remember, he cut it off in the chop saw a couple years ago. Our safety coordinator. I stuck it in formaldehyde. It kept pretty good. And that was Mike's. Remember the guy that stuck his.
That's disgusting.
No, he stuck his thumb in the planer.
What is wrong with you?
Betty, there's people that like the dark arts, okay? Plus, this
I'm
is
not one of
like in
them.
the church when they put the little pieces of the saints and they call them religious relics and stuff. So it's like, I was thinking we put it in our living room and you always have like a piece to remember me by.
No, this is not going in our house.
So this finger is from our North Carolina shop, one of the guys up there, and so is this one here. Oh, well, they don't always grow back. So trick or treat from Advantage Trim and Lumber Company. We had a lot of fun making this production today.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did. So check us out at advantagelumber.com and woodslabs.com. Stay tuned. We're going to go behind the scenes right now and show you how we did the build on some of this table for casting objects inside clear epoxy. And then we're also going to show you a little bit of how we did the today's trick or treat, some of the little production things we did to entertain you. So happy Halloween from Advantage Trim and Lumber.